very good morning to those who are watching us and those who encouraged us to conduct the event, a travel log, an ethnic mosaic of Eastern India. I am profoundly joyous and honored to welcome you on the auspicious occasion of Stage Day. As you all know, India is a country with unity and diversity. We are all aware of the rich culture of our country. Today, we will be visiting the eastern part of our country and get to know their diverse culture. Oh, here come our tour guide Isha Mehta and the traveler Sai Ruchi Reddy. Now let's see where they're heading to.
Hello, ma'am. Are you Miss Sairuchi?
Yes, I'm Sairuchi. I think you're my tour guide.
Yes, you are right. I'm Isha and I will be your tour guide for the trip you are planning. Welcome to Eastern Tours and Travels.
That's great.
Let me take you to your hotel first. It's already late and we will not be able to start our further journey today.
Sure, on the way to the hotel, you can tell me about my itinerary.
We will mainly be covering the Seven Sisters and Bengal. Tomorrow, we will be covering Arunachal Pradesh first.
Sounds great. What time shall we start our journey?
We will start around 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Great, meet you tomorrow. Hello, Isha, shall we start?
Hello, before we start our journey, let's have a quick prayer.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tvameva Mata Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu Shasakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva, Vasudeva Sudam Devam, Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishnam Vande Jagadguru, Asato Ma Satgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya, Om Bhurbhuva Swaha, Tatsaviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat, Om Bhurbhuva Swaha, Tatsaviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat, Om Bhurbhuva Swaha, Tatsaviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Which place are we going to visit in Arunachal Pradesh?
We are first going to Parshuram Kund.
I've heard a lot about that place. People say that Lord Parshuram washed away his sins of killing in Parshuram Kund. May I know where it is located?
It is located in the district of Lohit. Here, we will be able to see yoga asanas like Tadasana, Chakrasana, Shashank Asana, Bhujang Asana, Mandukasana, and many more performed by children. They are trained by great sages.
That will be totally awesome.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो शंकरा भोले राम शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो शंकरा भोले राम शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था ये जग रहे या ना रहे रहेगी तेरी आस्था क्या समय क्या प्रलय दोनों में तेरी महानता 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 सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह मेरे मन में शंकर तू बसा है उस तरह मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा शंकरा भोले राम शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो शंकरा भोले राम शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
Wow, that was amazing. I identified some yoga asanas, which were Tiryaka Tadasana, Ushtrasana, Akarna Dhanurasana, Yoga Mudrasana, sitting Akarna Dhanurasana, and Vrikshasana.
Now let's go to our next destination, the land of mountains and valleys, the abode of clouds.
You mean Meghalaya?
Absolutely. We have reached.
Wow, what a rewarding sight. This is the Shillong Peak, right? It is the highest peak in Meghalaya. By the way, what are those children doing?
The children are drawing various art forms of Eastern India like Madhubani and Mandala art.
Such a brilliant piece of art. So, where are we heading now?
We are now going to Manipur, the land of gems.
I heard that Manipur is the state of many pet names and also the birthplace of polo.
That's true. Now we are going to watch the martial arts of Manipur, Thang Ta. People learn Thang Ta for their self-defense. Let's see some children perform it.
Wow, those were such skillful moves. It was a dynamic performance.
Now let's go to Nagaland, the land of festivals. The Hornbill Festival is very famous in Nagaland.
Yes, I have read about it. It is held in the Kisama village of Nagaland near Kohima.
There are many festivities going on. Let's go and watch a skit that is about to start. It's about Siddhartha getting enlightened and becoming Buddha.
सुप्रभात। आज हम सब कक्षा सप्तमी के छात्र एवं छात्रा एक नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। इस नाटक का नाम है महात्मा बुद्ध। तो चलिए इस नाटक की प्रस्तुति द्वारा हम सब महात्मा बुद्ध के विषय में जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि वो महात्मा बुद्ध कैसे बने। एक सुंदर सा नगर है जिसका नाम कपिलवस्तु है। वहाँ का राजा शुद्धोधन है। राजा बैठे हैं, तभी ऋषि का प्रवेश होता है। उनको देखकर वह बोलते हैं कि
हे राजन, यह बालक या तो राजा बनेगा या महात्मा।
यह सुनकर राजा दुखी हुए और उन्होंने सब प्रकार की सुख सुविधाएं सिद्धार्थ को दे दिया, परंतु उनका मन उसमें नहीं लग रहा था।
मैं नगर की सुंदरता देखना चाहता हूँ।
सारथी, राजकुमार सिद्धार्थ को नगर भ्रमण के लिए ले जाओ।
सारथी सिद्धार्थ को लेकर नगर भ्रमण के लिए निकलता है। तभी सिद्धार्थ एक बीमार व्यक्ति को देखकर पूछता है
कि ये कौन है और इसकी ये दशा क्यों है? आप मुझे बताएं।
हे राजकुमार, ये एक बीमार और वृद्ध व्यक्ति है और ये एक सब है। आदमी बीमार होकर अंत में मृत्यु को प्राप्त करता है।
यह देखकर और सुनकर सिद्धार्थ सोचते हैं कि एक दिन जब सबको इस दुनिया को त्याग कर जाना ही है तो यह मोह क्यों। और उसी रात अपने नवजात शिशु, पत्नी और महल को त्याग कर वह वन के लिए निकल गए। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
संघं शरणं गच्छामि।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
That was quite informative about Gautama Buddha's enlightenment.
Sure it was. Don't you feel hungry? We have traveled a lot today.
Yes, I feel a little hungry.
We have various delicacies from eastern region of India like Kotpitha, Bai, Chumhan and many more. Let's have a look to see what's cooking.
Good morning everyone. My name is Danish. I am from grade 7G. Today I am going to cook a special curry of Manipur, Sana Tongba, for culinary. So now we will see the required ingredients for our curry. Some garlic paste, bay leaves, 3/4 cup water, 3/4 cup milk, some turmeric, 200 grams paneer, peas, nigella seeds or onion seeds, chili powder and salt for taste, 3 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. Now we will start the process. Put a pan on the stove and put it on low flame. Take 1 tablespoon ghee into the pan and 2 tablespoon oil. Now add paneer into it and cook till it changes into golden brown color. Now it changed into golden brown color. So I'm taking it back to the bowl. Now in the same pan add 1 tablespoon oil and bay leaves and onion seeds. After the bay leaf changes its color, add ginger paste, peas, and turmeric. After that, add salt and chili powder and mix it. After it fries a little, add the milk and water. For the thickness of the gravy, we can add gram flour, which is mixed in a little water, into it. And mix it. After it gets thick, add the fried paneer into it and mix it well. So after it, wait for 2 minutes off the flame and take it into the serving bowl. Now we will garnish our curry with coriander. Now our yummy curry is ready. You can serve it with a chapati or rice. Now we will see the benefits of ingredients in this curry. Paneer. Paneer makes our teeth and bones strong, and it also ensures that our digestive system is healthy. Next, onion seeds. Onion seeds increase our memory power and they also strengthen our immunity. Next, green peas. Green peas are a good source of iron. They keep our eyes and heart healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Vedika Ajay from grade 7F. Today I am going to show you how to make mint corn cones and sundaes. So let's start with seeing the ingredients. First we are going to use corn, a bit of mint chutney, chopped onions, chopped capsicum, cheese, chopped garlic and chopped green chili. We are also going to use triangle shaped bread for the cones. Let's see the ingredients that are going to be used in Bhapa Sandesh. First we are going to use half liter milk, a bit of lemon juice, saffron, elaichi and powdered sugar. We have mixed all the ingredients together, including chopped capsicums, onions, corn and mint chutney. Now we are gonna fill the cones and brush it with butter and chopped garlic and bake it in the oven for 180 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. Now put the milk on the gas and let it get warm. After that, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are gonna put lemon and water mixture little by little until it curdles and mix it continuously. And then we are gonna separate the curdled paneer or chena from the water. The chena is separated from the water. Now we are gonna strain it. Now we strain the chena from the water. Now we are gonna wash the chena 1 or 2 times so that the lemon juice or lemon taste is washed out. Now we are gonna keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. So now we are gonna blend the chena 1 or 2 rounds probably, and then add a bit of sugar, powdered sugar and milk until it's creamy. Our creamy smooth mixture is ready now. Now we are gonna start by greasing the pan with a bit of ghee, or you can even use oil. We pour the mixture into the pan now and let it steam for approx half an hour. Our mint cones are ready, freshly out of the oven, and with it as a complimentary drink we have mint and lemon tea. I present you the dessert, the Bhapa Sandesh. Sandesh is a dessert originating from the Bengal region of the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent, created with milk and sugar. Some people in the region of Dhaka call it Pranahara, which means the softer kind of Sandesh. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning everyone, this is Nilagiri Srinayveda from grade 7G. Today I am here to make Odisha's famous dish Masala Odia Dalma. The ingredients required are 3 glasses of water, 1 cup tur dal, 1 radish, coriander, 1 or 2 brinjal, 1 carrot, 4 beans, a few pieces of pumpkin, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, tomato, onion, 2 teaspoons of ghee, salt as per taste, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 bay leaf, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cumin powder. Now let's start the process. First take 3 glasses of water and pour it into a vessel. Now heat the water. After heating, now add bay leaves and 1 cup of tur dal. Now close the vessel and heat it for 15 to 20 minutes in a medium flame. Now after boiling for 20 minutes, add all the chopped vegetables. Now add ginger, add turmeric, salt as per taste. Now again boil it for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And let it boil for 2 more minutes. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of oil in another kadai, 2 red chilies, few mustard seeds and few cumin seeds. And roast them for 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, add green chilies, onions, and tomatoes, and wait until the tomato gets completely roasted. Now after roasting this, pour the dal mixture into the kadai. Now mix it well. Mix it well and leave it for 1 more minute. Now while it is boiling, sprinkle the cumin seed powder. And sprinkle some coriander leaves also. Now off the pan. Now our masala Odia dalma is ready. The nutritional values present in masala Odia dalma are proteins, vitamins and minerals. You can serve this curry with chapati or rice. Thank you.
Now let's cover the 3 remaining places that we have planned for you in your itinerary.
Sure, let's go.
Now let's head to Assam, the land of tea.
Are we visiting Kaziranga National Park to see the one-horned rhinoceros?
Yes, we will be visiting Kaziranga. Do you know Assam is also famous for its handlooms and weaving?
I've read about it. Is there any festival going on here?
It's time of Bihu festival. Both young men and women dance during this festival. Let's go and watch the famous Bihu dance along with the traditional dance forms of West Bengal and Nagaland.
খাবকে নোৱাৰি মুখত কেনেকুৱা লাগে মন কুমলীয়া বুজাব নোৱাৰি কলৈ কি কৰো লাগে আপোন তুমি সপোন সদায় নতুন আজি দেখোন তুমি নো মোৰ পূৰ্ণিমাৰ জোন ও কুমলীয়া খাবকে নোৱাৰি মুখত কেনেকুৱা লাগে মন কুমলীয়া বুজাব নোৱাৰি কলৈ কি কৰো লাগে আপোন তুমি সপোন সদায় নতুন আজি দেখোন কানাই পার করে দে আমারে আজিকার মথুরার বিকি দান করিব তোমারে ও কানাই হো 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 কানাই পার করে দে আমারে আজিকার মথুরার বিকি দান করিব তোমারে তুমি তো সুন্দর কানাই তোমার ভাঙা না তুমি তো সুন্দর কানাই তোমার ভাঙা না কোথায় রাখবো দইয়ের পসরা ও কানাই কোথায় রাখবো দইয়ের পসরা কোথায় রাখবো পা কানাই হো 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 কানাই পার করে দে আমারে আজিকার মথুরার বিকি দান করিব তোমারে ও কানাই হো 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 কানাই পার করে দে আমারে আজিকার মথুরার বিকি দান করিব তোমারে
फसलों की धानी चादर देखा है हमने सब यहाँ ओ पर्वत की चोटी चढ़ना मेहनत से आगे बढ़ना सीखा है हमने सब यहाँ ओ सोने की चिड़िया हो या मिट्टी का घरौंदा सपनों का अपना है जवाब। ये देश है वीरों का, ये देश है वीरों का, इस देश की हर गाथा है
What a graceful dance it was. I really love the dress they were wearing.
Now let's head to Bengal.
That is a Bengali song, right? I've heard it somewhere. Isn't it written by Rabindranath Tagore?
Yes, you are right.
He was the first person in India to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. He was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher, and painter. I would love to hear the song you were humming.
Okay, sure. Let's hear the motivational and patriotic song.
যদি তোরে ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একটা চলো রে। যদি তোরে ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একটা চলো রে। তবে একটা চলো, একটা চলো, একটা চলো, একটা চলো রে। তবে একটা চলো, একটা চলো, একটা চলো, একটা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না বলে, ওরে ওরে ও বাবা, কেউ কথা না বলে। যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়, সবাই করে ভয়। যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়, সবাই করে ভয়। তবে পরাণ বলে, তবে পরাণ বলে, ওরে মুখ থেকে তোরা বলে কথা, একটা বলো রে। ও তুই মুখ থেকে তোরা বলে কথা, একটা বলো রে। তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, একটা চলো जब काली घटा जाए, ओरे ओरे ओ अंधेरा सच को निकल जाए। जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, जब दुनिया सारे डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, तू शोरा बजा, वो शोरा बजा, चुप दे जल के जा, रोशन करे एक बोलो रे। चुप दे जल के जा, रोशन करे एक बोलो रे। যদি তোরে ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একটা চলো রে।
What a melodious and inspiring song.
Are you tired? Do you want to take some rest?
Yes, I'm a bit tired.
So let's go to a hotel in Tripura.
Sure, let's go.
Bamboo and cane jewelry is really famous in Tripura. We didn't have time to go to shopping, but don't worry. There is an exhibition going on in this hotel. You can buy things from here.
That's great. Let's see what they have got. I've heard about the Mudha, which is a native furniture piece of Tripura.
Yes, it is a low stool made of bamboo and split cane. Thank you for choosing Eastern Tours and Travels. We end our tour here. I hope you liked it and enjoyed a lot.
Yes, I liked it a lot. I learned a lot about the culture of eastern part of India.
Great. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Same here. Bye.
We have just visited the eastern states of India. Hope all of you enjoyed the scintillating performances by the students of grade 7. Stay safe, stay healthy.